Hello, my name is Jonathan Spradlin. I'm going to go over the three things that we're doing to the master application for next iteration. So our plan is to work on a mock flow representation of the master app, as well as a Qualtrics form for the master applications and a paper form for the master applications. Basically, just turning the master application into different media.
Hi, my name is Dave Chauhan, and I'm here to talk about Teams retrospective for iteration 3. So, this iteration, a huge milestone that we have achieved as a team is completing the master application, which was the main focus for the longest time by collecting all the data points from different platforms and applications and combining all those data points and integrating into master application by eliminating redundancies and extra long procedures. So we have achieved that, which is a huge milestone. And by completing that, we achieved a huge product development cycle in our iteration. After that, we will be going forward with creating a user and UI experience. And after that, we will be providing a better application features. Now, what has really gone well this product is we have completed this huge master application, which was in the story backlog for the longest time. So now we have all those data points with us. Next, any questions that we had about the project or process? Well, at this point in the term, we are very satisfied with what we have and what the knowledge we have about the project, and our client has based out all those things for us. So we are good to go. We know what the project is, and we have all the resources to make it happen. Now, the only thing is we have to create a user and usable application for our demo to show them that we have created this by getting all those data points that was provided to us by the client. Anything that needs to be addressed during the iteration to our client, well, we had client meetings and clients were satisfied with our work and they know what's happening. So at this point, we don't need anything from the client side or any action that needs to be done from the client side. We have all the data and we have all the information that is gathered by us. Now we just need to achieve it to a final product.
Hello, my name is Alexandra Lee, and I'll be just keep going over the team temperature for iteration 3 or spider diagram. So for iteration 3, it had a little bit less workload. And so our team collaboration engagement was a bit low for this iteration, but everything else seems to be pretty good going in direction and confidence of the project. And during iteration 3, we also added 3 new stories, with one of them being approved by our vendor. So that way, hopefully in iteration 4, we'll have more engagement with the groups as we paired off some folks in these 3 new stories that we have, which is as I said, the mock flow, the paper form, and the Qualtrics. And so hopefully we can keep everything stable while also increasing the engagement. And I will also show that in the master app, we also the snap form that I worked on for last iteration has been also included into the master app with all the other applications as well, with like financial assistance. And as you can see, it's also been labeled with snap as well. So yes.
So this is our burn up chart. The scope is 40 points. That's what it was last iteration. That's probably what it'll be for the rest of the semester. Our projected progress, we are hoping to complete 10 points every single week. For our actual progress, each week we completed a small portion of each application being added to the master application. So essentially what that means is like we would not finish a full application transferring it over from its respective spot in the Excel sheet to the master app, but instead, we would complete about, say, 25% of it or so. So each time we did that, I rounded out to about 10 points a week. And of course, we have completed all 40 points for this iteration.
My iteration 3 report, I took my financial assistance application data points in my personal Excel sheet and moved them over into the master application. I separated them on the master application, I put the redundant information, and then I put all the information that was specific to the financial assistance application to the bottom, to where it's just like very specific financial assistance data. so we can separate those and then see what's redundant in that application just specifically.
Hi, my name is Alexander Omran. For this iteration, I mainly worked on the WIOA form information and moving it to the master app. That's pretty much it.
Hi, I'm Zoe. For this iteration, I reorganized the jobs for TN and THO information in the master app so that better fit with the other information that we added to the master app.